In this part we'll take a look at the navigation and UI. To pan the camera, just use your middle mouse button and drag. To zoom in and zoom out, use the mouse wheel. To rotate, use Control and the middle mouse button and drag. And by pushing the escape key, the camera rotates to the original position. Let's take a look at the different tools we have available in the editor. In the left top corner we have the map properties. We can scale the map and choose what audio is played. And also the intensity of the UI can be adjusted here. Then we have also these overriding flags that we can use, but they are more advanced. We'll get back to those later. Then we have the asset browser. Here we have all the assets that we have in the game. There are quite a few, and these buttons here are like groups of things. So for example, we have different lights grouped in here, or trees, and by right clicking you can remove the selection. Also you can type in here things you want to find, for example a light. So we have different lights here. Also you can browse through the objects that you have used. Now the scene is empty, so we don't have any objects in here, but it's if you have a specific object you need to find, or you have lost it, you can find it from here. On the right hand side we have the tools menu. We'll go through these tools in detail a bit later. This gray area here is context sensitive area, where you see info of the selected objects. And on the top we have the usual stuff like save and load, and here on the edit we can edit the actual level, like rotating it clockwise 90 degrees and stuff like that. We can also resize the map to add more tiles to any of the sides, and we can also do prefabs. We can do that later. Then we have Windows options. You can see the shortcuts for these other windows, for example debug options, render debugs, post-processing like a fog and ambient occlusion, stuff like that. We have profiler, where you can see the performance and some render statistics also.